The sun is back. Merry Vlogmas Day 17. You will have noticed that there was no vlog going up this morning, so you're getting today's calendars and yesterday's calendars all in one. Merry Vlogmas Day 16. I've woken up with reinvigorated cold.
Well, come through it.
I will.
Yes.
I'm trying.
Get on it. What day is it?
60. Mum is the one time in the world oh, I can't even speak.
But you know what I'm saying?
Mummy's what?
Oh. I have never. It's another stiff. Split. And this is even worse.
More earplugs.
I'm going to be interested to see how these come out. Have you prepared your word of the day? Just
No, I'm going to make it up as I go.
Oh, okay.
I haven't looked. Well, I didn't know what time you were coming down. So, you know.
Yeah.
We were going to come up and check that you were still breathing, but
it's quite a long way, isn't it?
As Jane says, you look at that.
Yeah,
I mean, what's really for you? Just.
Oh, don't.
Anyway. But anyway. Oh.
The calendar is back on track, is it?
Happy days.
Oh my goodness me.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Is it chewy?
It's got like a crack around the.
So kind of torpedo-like.
It's almost torpedo-like without so much candy. It's exquisite.
Oh.
Oh.
You'll have to get your notebook back because you still owe Jill a sentence. You're always going to have another one.
These are, as you say, after the last 3 days, it's
What
like
are they called?
they're poles apart. This is wonderful.
Lakritz stifter. I think that means licorice stick.
One would hope.
A true success, this.
That's good.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's on an upward trajectory now.
Onwards and upwards for Christmas.
Have I used exquisite before?
No, I don't think you have actually. Well done. New word. Yeah, so I was saying the only time in a woman's life that she's ever truly helpless is when she has wet nails.
Yes, which I do.
She does.
Look.
So I shall be opening Mum's calendar for her.
I've just done them.
Oh, you like this one?
Do I?
Yes, I believe it was dark. It's the Stracciatella? Oh no, it's not dark. But it's the one that had the bits in it. You liked that?
It was okay.
Yeah. You could always have them on 2 Bojangles if you need a chocolate fix. That looks exciting. It looks like it has chocolate chips in it and stuff.
It's like chocolate inside. With a few nuts. But it's white chocolate on the outside. Which is too sweet.
But you're still eating.
Okay.
And today I have dark mint hot chocolate. I am having this in a couple of minutes when I go back up to mine because mint is another one of my favourites. I think I say that about a lot of them, but this is dark mint chocolates are my favourites. Anyway, back to bed now. Dad is in a rush, so I'm going to get this done first. It's Nia's birthday today, so it's a happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Nia. Yeah. I'm on a mission. I've got to be out.
Yes.
Oh, this is. Oh.
They look like licorice all sorts. I like licorice all sorts.
So do I, actually. I can't even see that.
That's rainbow coloured.
Yeah.
Regenbogen. And yeah.
Yes, this is very promising indeed.
All sorts.
Yes.
You can hear Mum hacking away at a pattern in the background there. Smell good? Smell of licorice? Funny that.
Look at that brown licorice, red licorice.
All yours.
Oh. Delectably delightful.
Ooh.
Delicious. That was alliteration.
That was.
I may have used those words before, but
Not in that particular order?
no.
No, okay. Right.
Lovely.
Okay. You can go see to your gardener. Mum, it's your turn. sitting there making noise in the background.
Oh, a busy morning.
Yeah, so I was feeling much better on Saturday, and then I woke up yesterday and did not feel well, so I spent the entire day in bed, apart from coming down to do their calendars. So that's why there's no vlog today, because I thought you don't really need to see like a third day of that.
There's roast potatoes and cauliflower cheese left for you.
I didn't even come down for a roast dinner. I had
didn't
tomato
want
tomato soup for dinner instead. So,
Oh, right, okay.
yes.
That one.
Oh, oh, hang on. Extra. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think that's coffee or coconut. I think you're safe with that one.
We'll find out.
Oh, hang on. Bitter dark chocolate with hazelnut praline. There you go, that's what that is. That's definitely dark.
Looks very dark.
It's lovely. Yeah?
There's so much less sweet.
It's bitter. Yeah.
Lovely.
Okay, and then for me, I have, when I can find it, where is it? Ah, right in the bottom.
None for you?
Ginger hot chocolate today. That actually might be quite, again, if I add some rum, that might be quite good for my throat.
It would. And honey.
Yeah, I could add some rum and honey to that, and that would be good. I have 2 parcels. One is from Crystal and is my KB pattern swap from Crystal, so I'm just waiting for one from Mary, and I haven't heard from any of my peeps, so Melanie, Dillick, Mary or Crystal, if they've received theirs from me as yet, so fingers crossed they arrive on time. I'm gonna have a quick look. What heavy. It's wrapped. Oh, thank you, Crystal. That's going under the tree. That's really exciting. So, and then I also have a parcel from Amazon, which I don't know what that is, and it could actually be for Dad, so I'm going to open it, and if it's anything exciting I will show you. So it was a parcel from Amazon, and it was for me, and it was 2 things I'd ordered in 2 separate orders, but they've arrived in the same box, which I'm really pleased about, because Amazon really are not good at their packing skills, and they tend to use the giant boxes for the smallest thing. So I'm very pleased that they decided to put them all into one. It's still probably too big for what they send, but you know. So the first one is this pattern, which is the one called 7446. This is actually up for a vote on Patreon as to what I'll be making in January. I've gone for all the comfies. I did have another one, but then I saw this when I was searching for an image for that other pattern, and I really liked every single element of it. I like the coat a lot, and the 2 t-shirts and the leggings. So I liked this a lot more than the one that I actually had. Typical. And then I got myself a paper stack, and actually it's quite amazing that there aren't very many leaf based paper stacks, given how big the leaf trend has been over the last sort of year and a half. So this was the only one that I could find, and it's really pretty, and I was thinking that I might redo some of the dividers in my Firefax, because as I have mentioned that I've had the ones in there for about 4 years, so although I've not used it for the last 2 years, it'd be nice to have another option, because I do have a first set that I made, which was from a Graphic 45 paper stack, which was the months of the year, which is very appropriate, but it was a little bit not quite my style. And then the one I've got currently is really my style. I like the colours, and then this one is even more my style, so I'll show you how I do those as well if you would like to see. Anyway, enough waffling, my voice is going again. It's ridiculous. I mean, it is literally a cold, but I have, so far today I've done the washing, I've had a nice long hot soak in the tub, I've redone my nails because they were all chipped and I'd broken a couple, and planning on doing sew-alongs starting today, and I've gone down to the main house and I'm out of breath and I feel exhausted again. It's ridiculous. It's utterly ridiculous. I do feel so much better though. So much better, especially for having had a day of chilling and doing nothing. I have got more stuff that I can do up here, which is not energetic. I can do some more stuff with my planner, which is very exciting. I'm going to give you a flip through of that cardstock that I got today as well, which looks really pretty, like really pretty. So yeah, Oh, it is ridiculous. If I'm up to it, I'm going to go to the cinema this evening to see Aquaman. I'm really excited about that. There's lots that I want to see at the cinema at the moment, actually. What else is there? 2 secs. Let's grab my handy dandy app. Don't you just love it? There's an app for everything these days. Right, so there's Aquaman, Mortal Engines. I'm so excited about that. I really want to see that. Ralph Breaks the Internet, Wreck-It Ralph 2. I've seen Robin Hood, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Really want to see that. Kind of maybe want to see The Grinch. Not overly fussed about that, to be honest. Kind of like Jim Carrey as The Grinch. But yes, so I've seen Robin Hood. I've seen Fantastic Beasts, The Crimes of Grindelwald. Don't really want to see Creed 2, and have also seen Bohemian Rhapsody. So yeah, Aquaman, Mortal Engines, and Wreck-It Ralph, and Spider-Man. I have lots of movies to get to before Christmas. I do actually really want to go and see and like use my Cineworld card, because there's been a couple of months where I haven't used it hardly at all. So to make it worth its while monetarily, I need to go and see as many movies as I can for the rest of the year, because there was a couple of months where I didn't go at all. But anyway, I'm waffling at you now, so I'm going to open the paper pack, have a look through, show you guys that, and basically get on with some admin-y work. So I mean, you know, I shouldn't have left as much admin to build up as I have, but I have, so that I now have something to do whilst I'm feeling bleh. So yeah. So I said I was going to show you some of these papers. Some of them are single-sided, which is a little bit annoying, but I can work with it. And I'm sure you guys can guess why I decided that these were beautiful. And then some of them are double-sided, which is very cool. And apparently one is UV and some are pearlescent, and one has foil on it as well. So yeah, I'm going to have some fun playing around with these. I think that one and that one are my favourites. It's not going to come as much of a surprise to any of you. So I'm just about feeling human. I'm going to try the cinema this evening. This could be a mistake, but we will soon find out. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing Aquaman, because this meme, I sort of found this and it was like, yeah, basically I agree. Anyway, I will talk to you in a bit. I'm back. I managed to cough my way through most of the film, which must have been so annoying for the rest of the people in there. Thankfully it wasn't too busy, and I had a giant bottle of water with me, so I could kind of stop myself, but I stupidly didn't take any Strepsils with me, so yeah. I enjoyed that. It's the most comic book like of all of the comic book movies that I have seen, I think. There's one bit, shark bait, ooh ha ha, yeah, Finding Nemo. It was good. It was good. And, you know, they have got Jason Momoa. You know, even if the movie was terrible, that's still going to be a a visual treat for the eyes. Yeah, I enjoyed it. I did. I thought it was fun. It was definitely fun. And usually DC are quite dark. Their movies tend to be, at least for me, I suppose. Yeah, the Batman and the Superman ones. Excuse me. Yeah, the Batman and the Superman ones did kind of lean kind of dark, and this definitely wasn't, but I did enjoy it. And the visuals were just absolutely amazing. And I want to cosplay quite a lot of the armor sets that the Queen and the Princess had. So I will one day bring my cosplay dreams to life, I promise. I know I keep saying it, but I'm going to. That's part of my plan for going forward, not just for next year, but for me, is to have better time management, work out better ways of doing the things that I need to do, because yeah. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to say goodnight because I can't stop coughing, and I need to suck a Strepsil and shut up basically, and edit this and get it uploaded, and it is sort of 11:10, so I hope you have enjoyed the last couple of days of waffle, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.